Hello guys, this is the mouse that we are going to unbox. This is from Acer. Last week you guys saw that we unboxed the Acer Nitro 5 laptop and we got this mouse for free and a headphone. The unboxing of headphone will be next week, so don't forget to subscribe. Last week you guys saw the unboxing of the Nitro 5 laptop. The specs are there is in many of the specs in the box. It's a Nitro mouse, burst fire with one-click adjustable DPI switch, customized PC 4-piece, weight design. The dimensions are 12.7 centimeters, 7.8 centimeters and 3.85 centimeters, and the cable length is around, it's a weird name, and weight is 144 gram. Connector type is USB, compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. I think this will be compatible with Windows 11 too. In the box it's contained with the Nitro mouse warranty and the quick start guide. This side you can see it says optical mouse, 4000 DPI, 6 DPI settings, burst fire with one click, customized weight design. I think there will be some LEDs inside. Now let's go for the unboxing. We'll take my new knife, which is nice. It should open from. It's like a Roman knife, and now let's unbox this. I'm using a knife after a long time, and let's open the box for the first time. They're having a hanger too. Let's keep it aside. So many covers. This is how it came. I'll keep this aside. The polythene case. What else in the box? We have this box and a user guide and the warranty. Acer warranty. I will keep this aside, and this is the mouse. This is a braided cable, you can see, which is protecting the wire, and this is USB 2, and we have so many buttons: the left click, right click, the scroll, and there are 2 other buttons which indicates plus and minus. I don't know what. I think this is for the aim, because of this is a gaming laptop. 2 another buttons. I think this will be so helpful when I'm editing, for using cut and go slide the timeline. Here you can see the model, which is NMW810. This is manufactured in November 2020, made in Japan. I think there is a battery here. Yeah, there are so many batteries here. Let's close this. There are some feeds, some sort of a feed. This looks nice and flaky. Let's connect this to the laptop and let's. That's all for the unboxing, and let's see next week with the Acer Nitro headphone. Thank you, bye. Peace.